Yay!
You want to do one, Harrison?
Yes.
Here you go.
Don't do anybody's faces.
Wait. Stop. You need to hold on to the handle part. Hold on. Not on the big fat part, on the little skinny part. Hold on tight. And then you yank that hard. Yay!
Yay! I'll do that again. I did.
Stop. You're holding your fingers over the end of it. That means if you pull it, it will pop on your hand. You have to hold it with your fingers like that. Turn your hand. There we go, like that. Pull hard. Yay! Gabby, stay right here. Start lighting, and we gotta get back. Okay, get back. All right, ready?
It's okay, Harrison. Look.
It's just gonna smoke. See? Whoa!
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. You ready?
Here, Scott, can you videotape so I can be in it?
Wow.
I just want to get the reactions. It's already going.
Okay.
I got a mouthful, not a handful.
You're ready.
Uh-oh.
Look, Daddy.
Oh, you're not loud.
Yeah.
Those were not what I was expecting.
No, me neither.